Welcome to the episode of Locked In, and this vlog, I'm basically traveling for work right now. I am in the San Diego area, and I just wanted to go ride somewhere. I've had a few people ask me this periodically, is when you're traveling to a new area, how do I look for a new ride? And a lot of times what I end up doing that I just kind of realize is I'll kind of just try to find a cool point, maybe a park or some kind of thing in the area, and basically just using Google Maps, use that as a pinpoint, pop my Bluetooth earpiece in so it kind of gives me navigation while I'm riding, turn on some music and just get going. Now that has totally backfired on me a few times where I've definitely climbed way more and maybe didn't have enough water or food with me, but it's an adventure and hey, why not? So in this little vlog, I'm just going to take you guys with me, seeing if there's anything interesting along the way, and let me know in the comments below if there's other things you guys want me to talk about. So let's get ready and suited fully up and get going. And if you guys haven't noticed the quality difference or the stability, this is my new Osmo Pocket. I think this is going to be my perfect vlog setup, minus the audio. I'm trying to figure out a different thing to make this hopefully a little bit better. It's a little bit windy right now, so we'll see how this sounds when I edit this together. Let me know what you guys think. I think this thing is awesome so far and a great small vlog setup for anybody really, but especially for cycling because it's so tiny, so pocketable. Get the name? I got it now. But this trail I found is actually pretty cool. It basically parallels the road, and I'm just gonna stop out. It's about 10 miles each way. Forgot to bring my headlights, so I gotta rush back a little bit, but it should be fine. So let's see what we see. So I'm liking this trail so far. It's pretty flat, which is cool. Been taking it easy after my bike camping trip, and don't worry, that video will be eventually coming. I have a lot to talk about in that one and a lot of cool stuff to show you guys if it isn't already posted by the time I post this, because now or when you're watching this, you're in the future. So yeah, it's kind of refreshing to be able to try new trails. I know I typically get pretty bored of the same routine at home, and I try to always mix it up, but definitely being able to go out of your area kind of reminds you a few of the reasons why you ride in general, to see new things in a different way. I would never in my life probably see this specific trail if it wasn't for cycling, which is cool. And now I know for next time, you know, cool new routes to try or do and keep it interesting. Well, I found my destination point, and this is pretty rad. I, again, love my Varco for this specific reason, being able to run my 32s. So whenever I find a trail like this, I'm not super scared of getting washed out and just drop the PSI a little bit and keep on rolling. So I'm just gonna go ride around this. Depending on how choppy the terrain is, it's gonna be a little hard to film. I'm gonna try to find a nice little rest spot, take a few minute break, then head back. I usually like making a loop of these rides when I go exploring, but it looks like there's not a real great way to get back to my hotel, so I'll probably do double the footage, so this video might be a little short. Sorry about that. Well, it looks like I am going to have to take the same trail back. I hope you guys can hear me over all the ducks. This was definitely a cool little ride and just a great little sunset shuffle. Trying to get home right before sunset. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn notifications on to watch all my reviews, vlogs, and so much more. Thanks for watching another episode of Locked In.